All of us here, we are asking some grace, some supplication. We are begging maybe, asking the Blessed Mother to intercede. Meron palagay ko po, pinagdarasal natin ngayon, kamag-anak, kaibigan, mahal sa buhay, kakilala. Maybe yung ibang pinagdadasal natin kailangan ng himala. Ibang hinihingi natin kailangan ng sign, kailangan ng kapangyarihan ng Panginoong Jesucristo. This is the good news. We have seen on this first day the sign that the Blessed Mother will be there to intercede for us. Just do whatever He tells you. We will be helped by the Blessed Mother, and we will have that faith good enough to believe na may mangyayari. Alam po ba ng mahal na Birheng Maria na may mangyayari? Alam po niya na may gagawin si Jesus. Alam po ba niya kung ano ang gagawin ni Jesus? Hindi po. Di naman sinabi ng gospel. Ito po yung faith. Alam mo na may gagawin ng Diyos, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yon dahil sa Diyos yun eh. Ito po yung sinasabi sa atin ng gospel, and the Blessed Mother smiling at all of us, giving you the Son as the sign. She will intercede. She believed that God will do something. What will that be? It is not ours. It is God. Alam niyang may gagawin si Jesus. Alam niya kung ano yon? Hindi. Kasi enough na yung faith that God will do something, that God will be responding to our prayers, that Jesus will be giving us the blessing and the grace. His mercy and His compassion will be more than enough for us to believe.